Internet of Things, IoT, a smart revolution in connectivity. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a revolutionary concept in modern technology that connects everyday physical objects to the Internet, allowing them to collect, share, and exchange data. These things can be anything, from household appliances and wearable devices to industrial machines and vehicles. Through embedded sensors, software, and connectivity, IoT transforms passive objects into intelligent, responsive tools that enhance how we live, work, and interact with the world. How IoT works. At the heart of IoT are four key components. Sensor/devices. These collect data from the physical environment, such as temperature, movement, or light. Connectivity. Data is transmitted using Wi-Fi, cellular networks like 4G per 5G, Bluetooth, or other wireless protocols. Data processing. Once the data reaches a cloud or a local edge device, software processes it to make decisions. User interface. The data is then made available to users via apps, dashboards, or other tools to take action or monitor activity. For example, a smart thermostat detects room temperature and adjusts heating or cooling based on your preferences. It can even learn patterns and operate more efficiently over time. Applications of IoT. IoT is being adopted across multiple sectors, including smart homes. Devices like smart lights, voice assistants, doorbells, and security cameras provide automation, convenience, and safety. Healthcare. Wearable health monitors track vital signs and alert medical professionals in real time, supporting remote patient care. Agriculture. Sensors monitor soil moisture, crop health, and climate conditions, enabling precision farming and higher productivity. Manufacturing. The Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, uses sensors and robotics to streamline production and predictive maintenance. Transportation. IoT powers connected vehicles, traffic management systems, and logistics tracking for improved efficiency and safety. Smart cities. IoT helps manage street lighting, waste collection, parking, and public transportation in real time. Benefits of IoT. Efficiency and automation. Reduces manual tasks by enabling smart decision-making. Cost savings. Minimizes waste and energy usage while improving maintenance schedules. Data-driven insights. Enables better decisions through real-time data analytics. Improved quality of life. Offers comfort, safety, and convenience to everyday users. Challenges of IoT. While the benefits are vast, IoT also presents several challenges. Security and privacy. The more devices that connect to the Internet, the greater the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. Interoperability. Devices from different manufacturers may not communicate seamlessly. Scalability. Managing millions of connected devices requires robust infrastructure and data management tools. The future of IoT. IoT is expected to continue growing rapidly, with billions of devices connected worldwide. Combined with technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, 5G, and edge computing, IoT will play a critical role in digital transformation across all sectors. From smart cities to autonomous systems, the Internet of Things is shaping a more intelligent and responsive future.